Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. Let's see, it is 10/25, December 20th, 2025. Less than a week away from Christmas. It's going to be a good one for a lot of folks. I'm, have, I'm having a real good time here. Anyway, jeez. Yeah, I went over and they're having a little party down on Sunday for the children of the neighborhood down the way. I bought some candy for them. Yeah, they'll be happy. Their parents get to deal with chocolated up kids on Sugar Rush. I don't. uh, Life goes on. Anyway, uh, tired. Been pounding away. Let's see. I actually get to sleep in tomorrow. I don't have to do anything until 11. So, guess what? I'm going to eat some soup, chicken soup, cooking right now, finishing cooking down. It's actually pretty good tasting. Been nibbling a little bit, sampling. Got to test it, make sure it's right. Yeah. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. uh, anyway, yeah, soup. Good stuff. Uh, I love chicken soup. Yeah, last night, pretty much I was just so hungry, I just devoured two leg quarters and some noodles. Went to sleep. Uh, yeah. This time I'm hoping to actually sleep all the way through the night. I know I've been up early and out doing. Yeah. Uh, I got my ears lowered. So, yay. Oh, yeah, and shaved the face too. Nicked myself. That's the hazard of shaving. Mm. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a good day. And yeah, this party tomorrow is going to be a lot of fun for the kids. And I like kids having fun. Yeah, there's so many of them here that, you know, this Philippines isn't a rich country in some ways. It's rich in others. Uh, yeah, they got a spirit here that's just awesome. They just keep going, no matter what. They just keep going. They're definitely a bunch of folks that you give them lemons, they'll make lemonade out of it. Believe me, even if they have to bust it open and squish it with a rock, they'll do it. It is what it is. And so many times I see things that just, I don't understand. Uh, Somebody going down the road got boxes bigger than the bike on the back, and they're tooling along. They ain't got the seat under them. They're just kind of pushing back onto the box and riding because the box on the seat. But hey, it's going. It's getting where it's supposed to be. Uh, an indomitable spirit is one of the superpowers for the Philippines. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm tired. I'm hungry. I want to get to bed at a reasonable time so I can enjoy the extra hours of sleep. So I hope it's a blessed weekend for you. I hope next week is a blessed Christmas and that you have lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. And again, more food. It's kind of why I gave out so much rice. Rice is life around here, man. Uh, this is William Williams, Philippines. Hey, do what you want to do. You know, it's you. It's your choice, your life. Choose it. Make it better. It's up to you. Anyway, fish. Later blessings. Bye bye. Fish out.